fairy gardens for your tree. Hi, it's Sharon, and welcome to my channel. And if you're a new subscriber, welcome, welcome. And if you just clicked on this channel, thanks for spending some time with me, and I hope you enjoy this. It is Fairy Garden Thursday, and it is still hosted by Grandma Sandy. And there are a couple of co-hosts that I will put up on my screen. I'd like to thank everybody for being here. And today I am going to make little fairy gardens in these. I got them at one of the dollar stores, and they're a little decoration. Oops. They look like a little jar, just some glue stuck to it. And you just screw the lid off. And I've been playing around here trying to figure out what to do. So we'll get showing you. I thought those would make a cute little fairy garden and maybe sell at the seniors hall. Okay, so I put my fairy inside there, and I put some of that snow in there. Also going to put this little drink to get that out of there. I had these little, these are little earrings, and I just take them apart, and it's a little drink, and it has kind of a candy cane striped straw in it, or it could be a candy cane. And I'm gonna show up. I'm gonna put it right by her feet, because there we go. I tried putting a little Christmas tree in there, but this one's too big. Doesn't look big size-wise, but I guess if I took this off, I could probably get it in there. Oh yeah, okay, we can do that. Let's push it in here so that I'll be able to close the lid. Anyhow, let's glue it in there. Put some glue on both ends. There. Oh, I better put some foam in there. Better glue a piece of foam in there. That will work better. Just stick it into. All right. Oh, we'll dump the snow out again. As you can see, I'm just winging this as usual. That's okay. All right. Let's put some glue. All right, back here. Need another. Lots of glue down in here. And we're going to. Here's a little piece of foam. And we're gonna put one piece in there. Oops. Let's get my little piece of foam in there. And another one on top. Should have my tweezers. Now I'm gonna put some glue on the end of the tree, and hopefully you guys are seeing this. And we're gonna stick the tree right there. Maybe I'll put some glue right here, and then it'll stick onto the fairy. All the little tricks. Okay. And the tree is in there, and she's got her little drink and her tree. There we go. I think that's cute. And we'll take this now and we'll pop it on. Well, had a little fun screwing the lid back on. Had to move a few things around, but I finally got her on there. And at this time, I'd like to encourage you to subscribe to my channel. Ribbon. I think it's cute. So we're going to start at the back. And we're going to glue some ribbon on here all the way around the bottom. And it kind of goes with the cup that we put in there. It has a little bit of candy cane stripe on it. So let's get this ribbon on here tidy. There we go. Both sides are the same. Okay. Let's just tack this down so it looks tidy. There we go. Yep, I got my fingers. Wouldn't be me if I wasn't burning my fingers. Okay, we'll let that dry. Okay, I think that looks sweet. I think that looks pretty cute. And I think around the top, I'm just going to put a little bit of greenery. Let's see, I like this stuff. I found this stuff. We don't need much of it. Let's just put a little bit around the top and see what we can do. There's one branch. Yeah, I'm going to cut it in half. Put it there. Okay, we've got one there. I like that. I'm going to snip some more of these. And I think we'll make it nice and full. Put another one there. And I hope you guys can see this. Put some there. And put one here. Oops, well, I need to stand up there. There, let's squish those in. Okay, now I'm just going to add what should I add? I have some little bits of things. I have a little red reindeer. I like that idea. I think the socks are a little too big. Yeah, I don't like that. I like the reindeer. Maybe I need more than one. I don't know. Let's see. I need something here because it's kind of messy looking. Should we put a little bit of moss? Sure, let's put a little bit of moss there and then we'll put the reindeer on it. There we go. And we'll take our red reindeer. Yeah, I think I'll put two. Why not, eh? Put a little glue on. See how I can get him in there. Not making too much of a mess. No, you gotta come back here more. Yeah, put the other one over here. Lots of glue. We might have to put some more moss in. Oh, that's the wrong side. Okay, let's do another one. I want them facing each other. Okay. And there we go, facing each other. I think that looks really cute. Just gotta get rid of some of this glue. And I'm gonna stick a little bit more moss around their feet because there's glue showing. Okay, that's gonna stay on there just fine. And there's our finished little fairy garden decoration. And there's one of the fairy garden decorations. I think she turned out rather sweet. And I think she's going to look cute hanging on someone's tree. Okay, I am going to make a second one. Second one, I've got a little fairy in there who has a pink dress on. And I'm going to put the little tree beside her. Little trees I got from the dollar store, Dollarama probably. And we have this pink tree. I don't know, maybe I should have left the stand on. Let's see. Nope, won't fit. Just gonna cut this a little bit shorter. Or just bend it. There, I'm just gonna bend it like that and just push it right in there. Okay, I'm gonna have to trim around the bottom because we need it to fit. Need the lid to fit in it. Fit back on, and if these are in the way, it doesn't. So, tricks I learned from making the last one. Okay, we're gonna set that right in there. I think the pink tree is pretty. Okay, well that went together easy. A little different. That's pretty. Now, what little accessory should we put in here? Hey, I have a few little Christmas lights in here. And they actually have a pinky color. Not sure. Maybe I'll just cut a few and we'll put them around the tree. Okay, I'm going to try and stick these on the little tree. On there. Well, my camera died, the battery died in my camera, and I just continued working, and I will give you a nice close-up of the second fairy garden. Okay, these are the two fairy gardens that I made this week. And the first one, there's a little fairy sitting in the jar, and it's kind of a candy cane theme with the striped ribbon and the little candy cane inside her drink. A couple of little bottle brush trees and the fairy sitting in there smiling. And on the top, we decorated it with some moss, a couple of red reindeer, and some greenery. So that's our first fairy garden. The second fairy garden I made is a little fairy. She's sitting in the snow and she's putting lights on her pink Christmas tree to match her pink dress. And she has another little tree there too. And we put a silver ribbon around the bottom and a silver ribbon at the top with a couple of the Christmas light bulbs, a pink and a couple of silver ones. And that's that little decoration. Thank you very much for watching. Fairy Garden Thursday, hosted by Grandma Sandy. And we'll see you in my next video, which will be Sunday Home Reset. Bye!